From the resin of a tree to the hive of the honeybee, nature creates a powerful immunity product. Carefully selecting specific plant resins, then blending them with beeswax, honeybees produce propolis to maintain the health of their hive. It's a wonderful natural protective system designed to promote well-being and long-lasting health. Something we all desire. Once used as a medicine by the ancient Egyptians, propolis was revered for its powerful antimicrobial properties. It has since been one of nature's best-kept secrets. But back in 1978, Comvita's innovative founder, Claude Stratford, pioneered a unique range of therapeutic propolis products and introduced them to the world. Comvita propolis is carefully harvested from the purest of sources to retain its potency and inherent natural properties. With clever science, the powerful compounds within are identified and measured. Through its PFL quality mark, Comvita guarantees the level of health-giving bioactives in each serve of its propolis. With Comvita propolis, you can trust you are building the very best natural health foundation for yourself and for your loved ones.